Okay, I had to switch over to live video instead of the live feed on Facebook because the cell coverage up here is kind of gone to crap. Used to be able to drive all the way up and down Forest Falls and had cell coverage, but not since the fire knocked the power out. I think the cell tower isn't working as on full power. Anyway, we're coming into Forest Falls. Here's Forest Homes here. First snow of the year. Road's looking good. I'd say looks like 3-4 inches maybe. We'll find some place where we can measure it. We just came from Oak Glen. No slides over there, no mud debris slides. Forest Falls is looking good. May Road right there. And everything's closed up here, public-wise. Mommier Trailhead and the picnic area, so there's really no place to come up to public snow play, so please don't come up here and trespass on private property. There's nowhere for you to sled. Go up higher, go up the Jinx Lake Road. Keep going up 38 about another 15-20 minutes. There's the post office. Let's see if we can see any deer. Or a bear. I don't know if the bears will be out today in the snow. And I've got 37 on my truck thermometer. I'm not sure. I don't trust it. It's given me some wacko readings in the past few months, so that seems about what it should be. I think close to that. Here's some people that snowplane. The CHP and sheriffs are tagging people, so if you park like this guy, you're on the fog line. That's a ticket right there. Here's Mommier Trailhead. It's closed. Or no, somebody tore the banner down. Yeah, somebody's in here, but that was closed. Trailhead is closed. The forest is closed, so if you want a nice big fat ticket, this is the place to get it. We should be coming up to the village and the restaurant here, fire station. Or no, we already passed the fire station, I believe. Elkhorn, let's see if the Elkhorn's open. Yep, restaurant's open. And the general store is open. Couldn't really tell. We'll go all the way to the top and we'll turn around and come back. Oh, yikes. Yeah, take it easy up here because with the snow, the pedestrians don't have any place really to walk except out in the road, so take it nice and slow. Kind of a cool looking picture right there. The snow on the leaves, on those oak leaves. Oh, there's a nice, that'd be a nice cabin to get a picture of too. That old log cabin right there. And up here's where it's closed. Snow Creek, and then see if you got any flow down Snow Creek. Yeah, nothing down Snow Creek. Up past the community center up here. That's the Big Falls Lodge right there, like the community center. come up here and park, you're gonna get like this guy right here. You're gonna get a big fat ticket. It is closed. Let's stop right in the middle of the. Let's stop right in the middle of the damn road, shoveling snow into the bed of his truck. Unbelievable. Yes, these people they're trying to get in, but you can't park here and block the road. But these chuckleheads will. I think I need to get pictures of them blocking the road. Right there, tollway, no stopping, no parking. Hold on, I gotta get pictures. Because if they have an emergency, they gotta get in there. They don't need you blocking the damn road. I can't believe this guy down here parked in the middle of the road, scooping snow into the back of his pickup truck. I mean, there's plenty of places that pull off the road to scoop up snow if that's what you want to do, you know. But, or is he shoveling a driveway? No, he's not shoveling a driveway. I love these idiots. Fuck. Yeah, I understand. Forest Falls people, I don't know how they put up with this. I know they haven't. They've been calling the sheriff and the CHP to come get them out of it. That's why those guys left. Somebody probably told them, you need to get the hell off the road. I think that's why they shoveled and got the hell out. They realized the cops are coming up here. Let the dumbass behind me go around me. I don't want him tail on my tail. If he's that much of a dumbass that he'd park in the middle of the street. It's actually a woman driving. They don't give a shit. She wants to go fast too. She's gonna learn about black eyes here. Yeah, you take it easy on this road because people standing in the roadway like this. But some of these corners will ice up. I think I'm gonna let them go. See if they'll go off in a ditch. If I can find a place to pull off. Looks like she's having trouble keeping it. She's coming down straddling the yellow lines. I'm gonna pull over and let them go by. Just watch her put it in a ditch. Yeah, there's one turn down here. It's notorious for wave to him for letting us go around. Yeah, let's see if she makes this. It didn't seem, it's not icy right now, but boy, there's one corner down here gets icy. That poor lady lives right there off Mommer Trailhead parking lot. She's got a driveway that comes out right there, and they all block her driveway. That's all private land right there that they're up on right there. Here's a turn down here that people go sailing off into the ditch a lot. Go back and say hi to Mark.